Hey guys, I want to first start off by saying thank you for everyone who watched my videos. Thank you for the views, the likes, the comments. I do read my comments, so I just recently got a couple of requests to film a sound test video of my subwoofer system in my car. So that's what I'm gonna do right here. Check it out. Keep in mind that, the audio quality recorded from this microphone is not gonna do my sound system any justice, but I'm doing it for fun anyway, so here we go. Alright, let's first start off by turning on a non-copyright song because I don't want to get a copyright strike. And let's adjust the bass about halfway, not too much. And turn up the volume here, about halfway maybe.